Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Notion as a personal daily planner for 2025. First up, let's create a new page in Notion. Click on the plus new page button on the sidebar. This will serve as the home base for your daily planner. The reason we do this is to keep your daily tasks and goals organized in one place. Next up, let's customize our page. Click on the default title, Untitled, and rename it as 2025 Daily Planner. You can also add a cover image and an icon to make it visually appealing. This helps us because a visually pleasing planner can motivate us to stay organized and complete our tasks. Now that we've done that, it's time to add tables for each month. Click on /table and create tables for each month of 2025. This is where you'll jot down your daily tasks, goals, and appointments. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By creating tables, you're setting up a flexible and robust system to manage your daily life. Moving on, let's add columns for tasks, status, priority, and due date in each table. This helps us because it allows us to manage our tasks effectively and prioritize them according to their importance. Lastly, you can link related pages, like a reading list or a workout routine, to your 2025 daily planner. Just type /link and select the related page. Let me explain why this matters. Linking related pages helps you to easily navigate between different aspects of your life and stay organized. And there you have it, your very own personal daily planner in Notion, ready for 2025. Remember, the key to effective planning is consistency. Happy planning, and see you in the next video.